The incorporation of high-tech devices into everyday routines has resulted in numerous improvements to the ease and effectiveness of performing a variety of jobs. There is no shortage of cutting-edge technology that, when integrated into our automobiles, can make for a more enjoyable driving experience and provide additional protection options. In this video, we will discuss 12 innovative devices for your automobile that mix cutting-edge technology with useful features. These devices are perfect for any driver. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 12. Dash cams. Due to its capacity to record high-quality video footage of your travels, dash cams have experienced a meteoric rise in popularity over the past few years. These convenient cameras are small enough to be fixed on the dashboard or windshield of a vehicle, and they record high-quality video that can be used as evidence in the event of a collision or legal issue. They are also able to record beautiful drives, giving you the opportunity to remember special moments. Some dashboard cameras come equipped with additional safety and convenience capabilities, including GPS tracking, loop recording, and collision detection. These functions add an added layer of protection to the device. Number 11. Bluetooth FM transmitters. If your vehicle does not already come equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, you may fill the void with a Bluetooth FM transmitter, which will allow you to make hands-free calls and stream audio. These handy gadgets have a port that corresponds to the cigarette lighter in your vehicle and can connect to your smartphone wirelessly using Bluetooth. They make use of FM radio frequencies to deliver audio signals to the sound system in your vehicle, thereby enabling you to wirelessly listen to the music of your choice or take and make phone calls. Number 10. Tire pressure monitoring systems. It is essential to maintain the correct tire pressure at all times in order to maximize both safety and fuel efficiency. Devices such as TPMS are capable of monitoring tire pressure in real time and notifying the driver of any abnormalities or potential problems. These systems typically include wireless sensors that can be attached to the tires and then transmit data to a display unit located within the vehicle. TPMS gadgets help you avoid accidents and improve fuel efficiency by providing you with information about the condition of your tires. Number 9. Wireless charging mounts. Because smartphones are becoming increasingly common, it is critical to have a method that is both practical and risk-free for charging them while driving. Mounts with built-in wireless charging capabilities provide a convenient answer to a common problem by not only offering a safe place to store your phone, but also the ability to wirelessly charge it. These mounts typically comply with the Q standard for wireless charging and can be quickly affixed to the windshield or dashboard of a vehicle. They remove the requirement for using cumbersome wires and ensure that your phone is easily accessible even while you're traveling. Number 8. OBD Diagnostic tools. Onboard diagnostic tools give you the ability to access and analyze data from the onboard computer of your vehicle. These clever devices link to the OBD port, which is typically found under the dashboard, and provide crucial information about the performance of your vehicle, as well as the health of its engine and how efficiently it uses fuel, among other things. You will have the ability to take better care of your vehicle by virtue of the fact that you can identify potential problems, clear error codes, and monitor numerous metrics in real time with the assistance of specialized smartphone apps. Number 7. Heads-up displays. Heads-up displays can either project crucial information on the windshield or into a separate clear screen. Examples of this type of information include speed, navigation directions, and incoming calls. HUDs allow you to concentrate on the path that lies ahead of you by maintaining the information at a position that is directly in front of your line of sight. When traveling in unknown territory or when it is dark outside, having one of these devices can be especially helpful. Number 6. Blind spot mirrors. When changing lanes or merging into traffic, blind zones can provide major dangers to drivers. Convex mirrors, known as blind spot mirrors, can be quickly and simply added to the side mirrors of your vehicle. They offer a broader viewing angle, which makes it easier for you to identify vehicles that are located in your blind zones. These low-cost devices improve your total visibility which in turn encourages safer driving habits and lowers the risk of collisions caused by blind areas. Number 5. Parking sensors. It can be tough to find parking in confined locations or to make your way through crowded areas. Parking sensors make use of ultrasonic technology to locate obstructions in the area around your vehicle and inform you of their presence by either sound or light. It is common practice to put them in the bumpers or the rearview mirrors, and they aid in the prevention of collisions while parking. Some of the most powerful parking sensors even have distance indications and may be configured to identify particular objects, such as curbs or pedestrians, which further improves both convenience and safety. Number 4. In-car Wi-Fi hotspots. Many people rely heavily on their ability to maintain their connections while they are on the move. Creating a mobile Wi-Fi network within your vehicle is made possible by in-car Wi-Fi hotspots, which also provide passengers access to the internet and make it possible for electronic devices such as laptops, tablets, and smartphones to connect to the network. These devices rely on cellular data connections to establish the Wi-Fi network and might be a useful addition for folks who take long road trips or who depend significantly on internet connectivity while they are on the move. Number 3. Portable jump starters. Being unable to move because your battery has died can be a very frustrating situation. Portable jump starters are devices that are both compact and lightweight, and they give you the ability to jump start your vehicle without the need for another vehicle to be present. These devices already have batteries and jumper cables built in, and some models even include additional features like built-in torches or USB connections so you can charge your other electronic devices. Number 2. Smart car security systems. Theft from vehicles is a common source of anxiety for their owners. Innovative vehicle safety systems include cutting-edge anti-theft technology, as well as remote monitoring capabilities. These systems may contain components such as remote locking and unlocking, GPS tracking, alarm systems, and smartphone notifications. You will be able to maintain a careful check on the current state of the security of your vehicle and react quickly if any suspicious activity is identified thanks to the devices in this pack. Number 1. Entertainment systems. Having an in-car entertainment system can make even the longest of rides more bearable. There are a wide variety of ways in which one can improve the quality of their entertainment experience while driving, ranging from multimedia touchscreen displays to rear seat entertainment systems. These devices come with a variety of features, such as DVD or Blu-ray players, the ability to stream videos, gaming consoles, and even wireless headphones for individualized audio experiences. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.